Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Gems. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright, Gems. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. I'm still settling down. My setup is still not ready, and I keep apologizing for that, I know, but I've kind of given up at the moment. Anyways, thank you for being here again. And newbies, we welcome you in. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Gemini and their person. Bottom of my deck, I have the Judgment card. This is normally a card of rebirth, wanting to start anew. Something has ended here. Something ended here, but somebody does want to renew this connection, it seems. They want to start a brand new chapter. They've been watching, they've been waiting, they've been spying, they've been keeping tabs. They do want to work on this connection. They feel this is a soulmate connection. They're feeling very spiritually connected to their person. They want the past burden of the old cycle to be dropped. Like, forget about the past. Let's not talk about the past. Let's forget the past. And because I think their person turned their back on them because they probably were a player. They probably were a player and maybe broke their heart or something like that. So this person, whoever is the heartbreaker here, is now wanting to re-begin. Let's see, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Gemini. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their person. Let me take a few more Gemini from another deck. Gemini and their person. And Gemini, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini and their person. Oops, just give me a second. I hear the doorbell ringing. 1 sec. Sorry, Gems, I'm back. And I'm going to take a couple more from a third deck. Now, where did I put it? Here. Okay. Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay. Good to go, Gems. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is, in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels so unsettled. Walking away from you was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life and my biggest regret. You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I have forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? And let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are you wasting time for? Deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise, my soul will be by your side for all eternity. I feel so much passion for you. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. Maybe it's just honesty. All right. So, Gemini, these were some of your readings. Yes, somebody did show up as a player maybe in the past, but they've recognized their soul partner. They're wishing and hoping the person would just forget about the past and not turn their back on them because of whatever they've done. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, Gems. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And then we'll go on to the rest of the reading. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. You're a leader. Well, somebody has to take the lead here, not just spy on this from the sidelines and not say anything. I think this is a message for the person who hasn't come forth and declared what they really want, right? Maybe somebody is still kind of just stuck here, wondering what to do, how to bring this resurrection back. They've got to say something, they've got to do something. Somebody has to take the lead here. So that's the message for this reading. I'm going to now start clarifying the cards. So, Spirit, what's this World card? What's the World card? What's the World card, Spirit? Oh, somebody is very regretful. They're very regretful about a chapter that has shut down. They do want to restart, but they're feeling very stuck at the moment. There's a lot of guilt, there's a lot of sadness, there's a lot of, why did I do what I did? Because things are now stopped between the two of you, and they feel a chapter's been shut down on them. They do want to restart, that's for sure. Page of Swords. Yes, they want to apologize. They want to come with an apology or a love offer now because they feel they've lost their Ten of Cups. This was my Ten of Cups, and what did I do? They're regretting something they did, right? Maybe they were a player, or maybe they had a third party, I don't know what. But somebody is very regretful about the fact that they ruined it. They are tired of having these sleepless nights. They want to get out of their head. They don't want to be stressed anymore. And they want to apologize. My God, this is a common theme in so many of the readings I've done now. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, they want to now put in the work. They want to put in the work. They are now clear in their head. They want to really, really speak their truth. Like King of Swords upright is a very honest person who will cut through all the nonsense and give it to you the way it is. And what I really feel this person wants to do is have that courage to come and have a direct conversation and say, hey, listen, I'm sorry for what I did. I'm very regretful about the past. I don't want to lose you. And can we just start again? And this time I'm willing to put the work in. Why? Because they see their person as their Two of Cups. Yes, maybe in the past they were not being able to decide, but look at this. Now they see their person as the Empress. They are stuck on this Empress. They can't move. Maybe there's distance between the two of you because they seem to be planning for the right time. Also a little bit worried. Yes, they are a bit worried that this Empress will block them now or will not allow them in, or maybe they are the ones who have been in, double-minded. What should I do? What shouldn't? They never chose when the time was right. They had an Empress in hand and they didn't choose. Maybe they were stuck between two directions, maybe, and now they've realized that they lost their happiness. They lost their wish fulfillment by not choosing an Empress. So, Ten of Wands in reverse, Spirit. What's this Ten of Wands? Okay, so that's what happened. Okay, so since this person was sitting in their ego and pride, I think this Empress is an Empress, right? They can embody any of the four queens. This Empress became the Queen of Swords and said, hey, if you're going to disrespect me, if you are not going to offer me anything stable and long term, you can sit in your ego and pride. I'm going to dump you. I think that's what happened. This Empress is the one who's turned their back on this connection now. Three of Wands in reverse. Three of Wands in reverse. Yes, this Empress said, I'm not going to be juggled. You're juggling an Empress? with another person, another queen. I'm dropping you. And this Empress turned their back on them. Why? Because they were behaving like a player. Knight of Wands. And the Empress was, of course, the Queen of Cups, kept giving, because they believed. Maybe this person was very romantic and came forward with all the roses and the wine. And this Queen of Cups is also very loving. So they may have thought, okay, my Knight of Cups will grow up one day and become my King of Cups one day. But they ended up being a player. At least that's how the Queen of Cups feels. Because they never made a choice. Maybe they were juggling or something. It was romantic and nice for a while, I guess, till hearts got broken here. What's the Three of Swords, Spirit? Three of Swords, what happened here? Somebody wants to now unbreak the heart. They want to heal this heart. They feel so bad, my God. Yes, they want to reconcile. They know they've been very immature regarding this Empress. They do want to return. Nothing is manifesting in their life. They're feeling miserable. Maybe they were a bit of a trickster in the past, but now they don't want to be that. They don't want to hold back. What they really want now, Gemini, is to unbreak this Empress's heart and even their own. They wish for a reconciliation and a happily ever after. They want to offer this now. But they're not sure whether they can manifest it now, so they are right now stuck. Hanged Man? Why are they in Hanged Man? They are being patient. They are hoping that it will heal by, with time. They don't know how to message, how to say it. Because they haven't invested when the time was right. That burdens them big time. Like, how do I say it now? How do I say what I want to say now after I haven't invested at all? I didn't put in the work when the time was right. So I think they're just hanging in there, waiting maybe in time for the pain to go away from this Empress and them, and maybe hoping and wishing for a restart or a re-beginning. They don't want this connection to end, that's for sure. And yes, they do want to communicate. They're just wondering how, because it's difficult over a message to say, hey, remember I cheated you in the past, or I didn't treat you well, but hey, now I'm in love with you and I want to marry you. So that's going to be really tough for them. They're very burdened by the fact that, how do I start investing? What do I say? But otherwise, they are sure. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then. And no wonder Spirit said, hey, you are a leader. Come on, you can lead. You have to now man up or woman up or whatever and do it. You can't just worry about taking the lead. Somebody's worried about that. All right. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Gemini.